Layn Getaround University. My name is Conrad Layn. I'm sharing my journey on how I'm making a lot of money on Getaround and how you can do the same for yourself so you can make all my success decisions but learn from all my mistakes. And I'm here with my Tesla hanging out. Let's get right into it. So on Getaround, as a Getaround host, a vehicle owner, you are responsible for your vehicle maintenance. I'm going to share the article directly from Getaround. I left the video in the video description below. Follow the screen through. Follow me through. This is the Getaround car maintenance requirements article that you can find in the video description below. You could do your own due diligence and read through this, but I'm going to share this right with you. As specifically states right here, hosts are responsible for carrying out and paying for all regularly scheduled maintenance on their vehicle. All cars should be maintained such that it is safe to operate by both the host and their guest. This includes no modifications, devices, equipment, or other items that could interfere with the safe operation of the car. In certain cases, Getaround and or a guest may cover required maintenance up front at Getaround's sole discretion. When Getaround or a guest shoulders costs for a car's regularly scheduled maintenance, the host will be responsible for paying the cost and will be charged a regular maintenance charge to cover the parts, servicing, and other associated costs incurred. Right there, that's what it states. So as a Getaround host, a vehicle owner, you are responsible solely for the vehicle maintenance. It's your responsibility. States it right here. Just want to make that nice and clear for y'all. And that's really about it. And as it mentioned, in certain cases, Getaround and or guests may cover required maintenance up front at Getaround's sole discretion. That's certain rare circumstances and occasions. But on average, vehicle owners are responsible for car maintenance requirements. Love you guys. If you found value in this video, like, subscribe, share. Let's make this money and follow my journey to making hundreds of thousands with Getaround. I'm going to show my journey currently now.